In the last session, we have discussed how to solve the simultaneous equation. So here, what is meant by the simultaneous equation? If the equation contains more than two variables, if you want to find the value of the x and y, we need one more equation to solve that one. That we call it as in simultaneous linear equations. And in the last session, we have discussed about the method which is the elimination by the cancellation. You can see page number 5 in your IIT textbook. So here the first method we have already discussed. Let us again discuss that one, elimination by cancellation. The first method which is elimination by cancellation. The name itself says it here. You need to eliminate one variable. Suppose you have given here x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. So here if you want to find the value of x and y, here you need to eliminate one value, because what we are doing the process which is nothing but the elimination by the cancellation. So if you want to eliminate, first you need to check whether what we need to do, if you have given these equations, whether you need to add these two equations or whether you need to subtract these two equations. So here you can observe that here while adding these two equations, these two will get cancelled, because here plus y is there, here minus y is there. So you can add these two values. What it will give? 2x is equal to 6. So what is the value of x? It gives to 6 by 2. So the value of x is 3. Right? Now you can substitute the value of x in any of the equation. So substitute in 1. What is the one? X plus y is equal to 5. So what is the value of x? We got it here 3 plus y is equal to 5. So what is the value of y? 5 minus 3, which gives you 2. Here, so you will get the unique value of x and y here. That means what is meant by the unique value? Here, while substituting the value of x and y, it should satisfy these two conditions. So here if you take x plus y is equal to 5. So what you got the value of x, which is 3. 3 plus 2, which gives you 5. Similarly 3 minus 2, which gives you 1. So these are the unique value of x and y that is satisfying both of these equations. This we already discussed in the earlier class. Now see the next method, which is the elimination by substitution. The second method, which is elimination by substitution. Here the name itself says here, you need to eliminate by substituting the value. Here, based on the example, you can clearly understand this one. Here let us take the same example here, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to, what we have to, let us consider 4, anything. So, let us take x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 4. Here, you need to find the value of x and y by using the method which is elimination by the substitution. That means here, what is meant by the substitution? You need to substitute one value. So here, in this method, you have to consider one equation, right? And after considering one equation, you need to find the value of either x or y. And you will get that value of x, and that value of x you need to substitute in the other equation. So here, first find it. Let us consider the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. From first equation, you have to calculate the value of x or y. Let us calculate the value of x here. What is the value of x here? Which is nothing but 5 minus y. Because if you take plus y to that side, it will become minus 5. You are getting the value of x as y minus 5. From first equation, from this equation. Now, you need to take the other equation. What is the other equation here? Which is x minus y is equal to 4. Here we got the value of x. Now we need to substitute this value of x in this equation, which is nothing but the substitution method. So here, what is meant by the substitution method? Just you need to take the any of the equation and you have to find the value of x and put that value of x in the other equation. So what you get here? What is the value of x? Which is 5 minus 5. So write it here, 5 minus y is equal to 4. Just we have substituted the value of x. So that here you can observe that we have changed this equation in the form of the one variable y. If you solve this one, you will get the value of y. So for that reason we have substituted here. So what you get here, 5 minus 5 and minus 5 is equal to 4. Right? So you will get here 5 minus 2y is equal to 4. Y minus y, which gives you minus 2y. So here take this value to this side, you will get 5 minus 4 is equal to 2y. So here you will get 1 is equal to 2y. What is the value of y here? 1 by 2. Right? So if you substitute the value of 1 by 2 in this equation, you will get the value of x. Like this you need to solve by using the substitution method. Here how do you solve? First you need to take one equation, and from that equation you need to find the value of the variable and substitute that value of the variable in the other equation. Now see here, one example they have given, you can solve that one. This is nothing but the elimination by the substitution. Here if you see page number 6, you have given one example here, elimination by the substitution. They have given the equations 5x minus 2y is equal to 17, and similarly they have given here 3x plus y is equal to 8. Here you need to find the value of the x and y by using the substitution method. So here by using the substitution method, what we need to do, we need to take one equation. So let us consider this equation. Consider 3x plus y is equal to 8. From this you can calculate either the value of x or the value of y. So if you calculate the value of x, it will get in the form of the fractions. So it will become difficult to continue that one. So let us calculate the value of y. So what is the value of y here? 8 minus 3x. Let us consider this as first equation and consider this as the second equation. So from equation 2, what we got it here? 3x plus y is equal to 8. So we have calculated the value of y. We got it as 8 minus 3x. Now here from equation 1, we took the equation 2, we got the value of y, and you need to substitute that in equation 1. What is equation 1 in here? 5x minus 2y is equal to 17. Now here you need to substitute the value of y here. So substitute it, what you get here? 5x minus 2 into 8 minus 3x is equal to 17. So here what you get here? 5x minus 8 to the 16, minus into minus plus 3 into 2, which is 6x is equal to 17. Now here, so what you will get here? Just we have substituted the value of y here. So we took this equation, we got 3x plus y is equal to 8. Now from that we have calculated the value of y, which is 8 minus 3x. This value we need to substitute it here. So we have substituted 5x minus 2 into what is the value of y? 8 minus 3x is equal to 17. So what you got? Which is 8 to the 16, minus into minus plus 3 into 2x, which is 6x. Now you need to find the value of x here. What is the value? So write all the variables to one side. So what is here? 5x plus 6x is equal to, take this minus 16 to right hand side, it will become plus 16. So you will get here 17 plus 16. So what is the value of 5 plus 6x, which is nothing but 11x, is equal to, here what you will get here, which is 33, right? So here 6 plus 7, which gives you 33. So what is the value of x? 33 by 11, right? If here we are doing the multiplication, if you take to the right hand side, it will become division. So what is the value of x here? Which is 3. Now we got the value of x. If you substitute the value of x in any of these equations, you will get the value of y. Take the second equation here. From equation 2, what is the equation here? 3x plus y is equal to 8. Now substitute the value of x here. So what will get here? 3 into 3 plus y is equal to 8. What is the value of 3 into 3, which is 9, plus y is equal to 8. So what is the value of y? Take this 9 to that side, it will become minus 9. 8 minus 9. What is the value of 8 minus 9? Which is minus 1. Like this you need to find by using the elimination by the substitution method. So here what this method says here, if you have given any two linear equations which consists of two variables, first you need to pick one equation from that. You need to find the value of x or by the value of y, and you need to substitute that value in any one of the equations so that you can find the value of the x and y. This is about the elimination by the substitution. Now see the next method, which is adding and subtraction of the two equations. So here the next method, which is adding two equations and subtracting one equation from the other. So here this is the next method. Here if you see your textbook in page number 6, they have given the example here, which is nothing but 4x plus 3y is equal to 11, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. So you have given this problem. You need to find the value of the x and y by the next method, which is nothing but, what is that method? Adding two equations and subtracting one from the other. The method name itself says how do you solve this problem. Here what they said here, adding two equations. First you need to add these two equations so that you will get one equation, and again subtract these two equations, you will get one more equation. Now you will get two more equations. Now from that two equations you can solve it. While if you are thinking that solving these equations are difficult, you can follow this method. Here that means you are reducing this equation to the smaller equation. So here what we need to do, first you need to add these two equations, you will get one equation, and again you need to subtract these two equations, you will get one more equation. Now you need to solve those two equations. So let us consider this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. Now add these two equations, adding 1 and 2. So here if you add these two equations, what you will get? 4x plus 3y is equal to 11, and what they have given, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now add these equations, what you will get here? 4 plus 3, which gives you 7, and similarly here 3 plus 4, which gives you 7. 7x plus 7y is equal to, here you got it here, 21 while adding these two equations. Here you can observe that here 7x is there, here 7y is there. You can take here 7 common. So if you take here 7 common, what is left out here? Here x will be there and plus, and here y will be there. So here if you take 7 to this side, it will become division. You will get here x plus y is equal to 21 by 7. So you know that 7 3s are 21. So you got it here, x plus y is equal to 3. So what we have done, we have added these two equations. Now what we need to do, we need to subtract again these two equations. Let us consider this equation as 3. So here subtract equation 1 and 2. So what are the equations they have given? 4x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now subtract these two equations. That means just change the symbol here, minus, minus, minus. So here what is the value of 4x minus 3x, which gives you x, and what is the value of plus 3 minus y minus 4, which gives you minus 5, is equal to what is the value of 11 minus 10, which gives you 1. So here we got it here one more equation. So here let us take this equation as 4. Now here what this method says, after adding these two equations you will get one equation, and after subtracting these two equations you will get one more equation. So that we got it here these two equations. Now you need to solve these equations. So solving equations 3 and 4. So what is the equation 3, which is x plus y is equal to 3? This equation we got by adding those equations, and we got it here, x minus y is equal to 1. Now at this process you can follow any of the first two methods, which is elimination by the substitution or elimination by the cancellation. You can use any of these methods here. So here what you will get here, you can observe that this y will get cancelled. You will get x plus x, which is nothing but 2x is equal to 4. So here what is the value of x, which is nothing but 2, because 4 by 2, which gives you 2. Now you can substitute the value of x in any of the equation. So substitute in 4. So what you will get it here from 4. What is the equation 4 it here, which is x minus y is equal to 1. Now here we got the value of x, substitute the value of x here. So what you will get here, 2 minus 1, y is equal to 1. So you can take y value to the right hand side, you will get the value of y as 1. Like this you need to solve the problem. So what this method says here, if you have given any two linear equation, while adding these two linear equations you will get one equation, and while subtracting these two equations we got one more equation. Now you need to solve these two equations. By solving these two equations we got the value of x and we got the value of y. This is about the third method, and up to now we have discussed three methods. While solving, if you have given two linear equations in the two variables, which is x and y, which is the elimination method and the substitution method, and the next one, addition and the subtraction of the two equations. In the next session we are going to discuss one more method, which is the graphical method. From this session is completed.